Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the Google app or Photos. Google. Com and confirming you are signed into the correct Google account. Once done, locate the exact photo files you want to add and confirm they meet size and format constraints. This prevents upload failures. Make sure you know whether you will add the image to your personal profile, a Google business profile, or a Maps listing because the workflow diverges slightly. Now navigate to the profile or listing you will edit and get ready to add media. Next, open the profile or listing page and tap the Photos or Add Photo button. This begins the upload flow. If on mobile, choose Gallery or Files, and on desktop, drag and drop or click Upload, then pick the images. While uploading, add a clear caption, select an appropriate photo category like Interior, Exterior, or Profile, and optionally tag the location. These details help Google place and surface the image correctly. Wait for the progress indicator to finish before navigating away. Finally, verify the photo appears on the profile or Maps listing and displays in the right orientation and category. This confirms successful publishing. If the image is missing or rejected, check file size and type, remove any prohibited content, strip problematic metadata, and confirm GPS or timestamp if required. If problems persist, clear the app or browser cache, try a different network, then re-upload. As a last resort, contact Google support or use the feedback link to resolve.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.